Welcome back to Torque Update, where performance meets prestige. Today, we're exploring the 2026 Range Rover Sport SV, the flagship sport model redefined as a high-performance luxury machine with state-of-the-art tech and unparalleled capability. Take a seat behind the wheel, and the Sport SV immediately feels sculpted for excitement. With its advanced chassis, tech-enhanced suspension, and SV mode, this SUV doesn't just drive, it commands. It's familiar in its lineage, yet shocking in its ability to thrill on twisty roads or cruise effortlessly on a straightaway. The Sport SV's presence is impossible to ignore. It features an aggressive front fascia with functional airflow upgrades, a sculpted carbon fiber hood, and quad carbon fiber exhaust tips. Drivers can opt for carbon fiber 23-inch split-spoke wheels, world-first tech for production cars, that reduce unsprung mass significantly. The SV Black trim, available late 2025, takes this to another level with all-black detailing and satin finishes, including a black-painted carbon fiber bonnet and gloss black quarter finishes. Once inside, the SV asserts its elite status with SV performance seats wrapped in Windsor leather, featuring carbon fiber backboards and an illuminated SV logo. These 16-way adjustable thrones are heated, cooled, massaging, and most notably equipped with Subpax body and sole seats, a four-dimensional audio experience that lets you feel the bass through the seat backs, enhancing both luxury and immersion. A redesigned steering wheel with a red-lit SV mode button and up to a 29-speaker Meridian system add the finishing touches. The Sport SV is the most powerful Range Rover Sport yet, boasting a mild hybrid 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 626 horsepower and 750 newton-meters of torque. That's enough for a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in just 3.6 seconds, with a top speed up to 180 miles per hour in SV Black form. Its performance is balanced by the innovative 6D Dynamics hydraulic suspension, removing traditional anti-roll bars to deliver class-leading flatness, precision cornering, and pitch control. Added benefits include carbon ceramic brakes, rear bias tires, and advanced SV mode that lowers the body further, sharpens throttle, steering, gearbox, and exhaust mapping. The Range Rover Sport SV lineup, including SV and SV Black variants, opens for orders in late 2025. SV models start around £140,000, with SV Black price from £154,975 in UK. Meanwhile, the sold-out SV Edition 1 retailed for about $181,775 in the US, a baseline suggesting comparable pricing across markets. The 2026 Range Rover Sport SV isn't just the most powerful sport yet, it's a statement. Between its visible carbon fiber styling, cutting-edge suspension, immersive audio, and 635 PS twin-turbo V8, it creates a rare union of luxury SUV comfort and sports car excitement. It challenges rivals like the Urus, DBX, and AMG G63, all while standing apart with refined, yet ferociously dynamic personality. If the 2026 Range Rover Sport SV revs your excitement, hit that like, ring the bell, and subscribe to Torque Update for more luxury performance breakdowns, tech deep dives, and automotive adventures. See you next time.